Maya is back at the car. She reaches for her keys. But wait. The keys are inside the car. And the car is locked.
It is Sunday afternoon. Maya just finished her shopping.
She has 6 bags. Her feet hurt. Face cream for Chloe, obviously. Okay, keys. 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 Where are my keys? No. The keys are inside the car. The car is locked. I am outside. This is a problem. Chloe, don't panic. Why would I panic? What happened? I locked my keys inside the car. Maya, again? What do you mean again? This is the first time. Maya, you did this in February. That was different. It was winter. I was cold. I was not thinking clearly. And now? Now I am warm and still not thinking clearly. Where is the spare key? Mom has it. She took it last week, remember? Why does Mom have my spare key? Because last time you locked your keys inside the car, Mom had to come and help you. Oh, right. Hello, sweetheart. Mom, hi. Quick question. Do you have my spare car key?
Oh yes, it is right here in my kitchen drawer.
Perfect. Can you bring it to the shopping mall car park?
Oh honey, I am in the city right now.
Aunt Patricia lives 2 hours away.
Yes, she does. We are having a lovely time.
Mom, focus. I locked my keys inside the car.
Again?
Why does everyone keep saying again?
Honey, call a locksmith. I will be home by 7.
7? Mom, my ice cream is melting in the boot.
Then call a locksmith quickly. Love you.
Love you too. Bye. A locksmith. Okay. I can do this. Maya! Where are you? I am hungry.
Sam, I am a little busy right now.
How busy? Like 5 minutes busy or 1 hour busy?
Sam, I locked my keys inside the car.
No way! That is so cool!
It is not cool, Sam.
Can I come and watch?
You want to come and watch me stand next to a locked car?
Yeah! It sounds exciting. Like a movie.
Sam, please ask Chloe to make you a sandwich.
Chloe is watching her show. She said do not talk to her for 1 hour. Then make your own sandwich. I don't know how.
Sam, you are 12 years old.
I know, but I never learned.
Put 2 pieces of bread together.
Put cheese in the middle. Done.
What if there is no cheese? Sam, I will be home soon. Please just wait. Goodbye, Sam.
Bye. And Maya?
Yes?
You should always keep a spare key in your bag.
Thank you, Sam. Very helpful.
Good afternoon. You called about a locked car?
Yes, that one, the blue one. Thank you for coming so quickly.
No problem. This happens all the time.
The blue one. Right there. Is it difficult?
No, usually very quick. About 2 minutes. Done. All open.
Oh, all open. Oh, thank goodness.
Wait, these are not my keys.
Sorry?
These keys, they are not mine. My keys have a small yellow duck keychain.
A yellow duck?
Yes, my little brother gave it to me. I always have it.
This is not my car.
This is a blue car.
My blue car. My blue car is... Oh no.
Shall we try the other blue car?
Yes, please. I am so sorry.
Don't worry. Last week I opened the wrong car 3 times.
Really?
Same color, same model. It happens.
Same color, same model, different car. How did I not see this?
This one is yours, I think.
Yellow duck, yes! These are my keys!
Great.
I am really sorry about the other car.
No damage done.
Did you get in? Eventually. What happened? I may have asked the locksmith to open the wrong car. Maya. It was the same color. Was it the same car? No. Was it your car? Obviously not. Next time, check the number plate. I will. The wrong car, Maya. The wrong car. I know. Is Sam okay? He made a sandwich with 3 pieces of bread. That is very Sam. Come home. I saved some chocolate for you. You found my chocolate? It was in the 6th bag. I love you, Chloe. I love you too. Now drive safely and check that it is your car.
Chloe.
Maya! You are back! What happened? Tell me everything. Sam, I locked my keys in the wrong... I mean, in the car. And I called a locksmith. And he opened the wrong car first. The wrong car? The wrong car. Maya, that is the best story I have ever heard. I told her to check the number plate. What is a number plate? Sam, go eat your sandwich. I made another one, and another one. How many sandwiches did you
4.
eat? I was hungry and worried about you.
Come here.
Next time, spare key. Maya learned 2 important lessons that day.
Always keep a spare key and always check the number plate.
Maya got into her car. Eventually, she learned 2 important lessons that day.
Always keep a spare key.
And always check the number plate.